My wife and I have been looking for someone we could trust to help us manage our finances. And for me, that was totally new because growing up very poor, getting to a place where now I had enough resources that I need to make sure that I'm using them wisely, that was a miracle in itself, right? When we went to that church that day to hear about Blue Trust, and they laid out everything. They talked about your family being important. They talked about your family legacy being important. They talked about so many things besides money and finances that really gave us a look into the heart of the company. And I went up that day at the end of the presentation, almost like it was an altar call. To be able to find an organization like Blue Trust to partner with you, it's golden because there are so many voices out there about what you should do with your finances or how you should view finances. But to find a partner that is willing to pray with you about God's will for your finances, not looking at it from the standpoint of what's in it for you, but how you all can be a blessing to us. And that's been tremendous.